Effortlessly navigate your Foodnerd POS dashboard by first selecting Online Reports from the convenient Reports section. This streamlined process ensures you quickly access the key data you need. From the extensive list of report options, simply locate and click on the Vouchers report to drill down into your voucher performance data. Once the report loads, you'll instantly see an overview of your vouchers. Utilize the powerful filter option at the top to customize your view and pinpoint specific data. Maximize your insights by using advanced filters like start and end dates to specify a time frame for your analysis. You can also adjust the number of results displayed per page for better readability and precision. After applying your desired filters, click the Search button to instantly update your report with tailored results. Dive deep into individual voucher performance, observing key metrics such as the voucher code, total usage, and overall limit. You can also monitor the total amount paid using each voucher and the total discount applied, providing a comprehensive understanding of their financial impact on your business. Finally, easily export your detailed voucher report into various formats like CSV, XLSX, or PDF. This ensures you can share, analyze, and retain your vital data effortlessly for future reference.